Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about boolean data types. So you can define boolean value by directly assign like true and false to the any variable, like, but one thing you have to take care, like here, that true, in true and false the first letter start with capital, like see, T is capital, F is capital and none is capital. Okay, so the keyword start with capital letter. So when you print this value like is true and false, like, and similarly, like integer is nothing but 1 and false is like integer value of true is 1 and integer value of false is 0. This is straightforward. And you want to print a string, like I'll print this value also. It will return a string only. Okay, and none is another data type which is not true and false, is not defined, so is written none. So let's run this program and run, like, is true. See, first output is true, false, then integer value is 1 for true, integer value is 0 for false, then is string value is true and is returning none. So it's very simple variable. Thank you.